In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check charging wattage on Android. Understanding how fast your phone is charging can be really helpful, especially if you've bought a fast charger and want to confirm it's actually working as advertised. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to see the charging wattage your Android phone is drawing, using only your phone and a free app. First, unlock your Android device and make sure you're on the home screen. You'll want your charger and cable nearby, because we'll be plugging the phone in during this process. For the most accurate results, try to start with your battery below full charge, since some phones slow down charging as they get close to 100%. Next, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top, type in something like charging wattage or battery info. You're looking for a reputable battery information app that shows charging power in watts. Choose an app with good ratings and plenty of reviews. Avoid anything that looks suspicious or asks for unnecessary permissions. Once you've picked one, tap Install and wait for it to download and set up. When the app is installed, tap Open. The first time you run it, it may ask for basic permissions so it can read your battery statistics. Grant only what's needed for it to work. On the main screen, look for sections labeled Charging Info, Battery Status, or Power. Different apps have slightly different layouts, but they usually display voltage, current in amps, and sometimes wattage directly. Now, connect your charger to a power outlet and plug the cable into your phone. Give it a few seconds to stabilize. Go back to the app and watch the values update. If the app shows wattage, you'll see a number like 15 watts, 25 watts, or higher, depending on your charger and phone. If it only shows volts and amps, you can roughly calculate watts by multiplying them. For example, 5 volts times 2 amps is about 10 watts. Compare what you see with the wattage printed on your charger. Keep in mind that your phone may not always reach the maximum, especially if the battery is already quite full, the phone is hot, or you're using it heavily while charging. Finally, you can test different chargers or cables the same way and see how the wattage gating changes. This is a great way to confirm which combinations give you the fastest charging speed on your Android device.